Hello viewers, welcome back to Backmat, and today's lesson we'll be looking at undergraduate degree classifications. And so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe for more updates. Let's get started. Now, degree classifications. Undergraduate degrees are classified according to the candidate's cumulative grade point average, that is the CGPA. So this communicates to us that before you can be classified as a first class student, a second class upper student, a second class lower student, a third class student, a pass or a fail student, it is based on your CGPA. So it implies that CGPA is very important, and so we must work harder for it. Now, degree classifications are as follows. So we can see a table, and in that table we have the class designation and CGPA. And then the class designation, we have first class followed by second class upper division, and then we have second class lower division, and then we have third class division, we have the pass, and then we have the fail. So now under the CGPA, we can see that it ranges, and for first class we can see that it ranges from 3.6 to 4.0. And so before you can be classified as a first class student, then your CGPA should be within this range, that is 3.6 to 4.0. And so if your CGPA is 3.59999999, you cannot be classified as a first class student because the range says it should be within 3.6 to 4.0. So unless during graduation, that is when sometimes they try to run it to the nearest one decimal place. So cases where you have your CGPA to be 3.5999, they can run it to 3.6, and that you become a first class student. But in most cases, they take it as it is. So sometimes to 4 decimal places, if your CGPA does not fall within the range of 3.6 to 4.0, you are not classified as a first class student. Now for second class upper division, it ranges from 3.0 to 3.5. So before you can be classified as a second class upper division student, your CGPA should fall within 3.0 to 3.5, and with that you can be called a second class upper division student. And also you have the second class lower division student, and that one ranges from 2.5 to 2.9. As usual, your standing CGPA should be between this range, and you have your degree as a second class lower division student. And for third class division student, it ranges from 2.0 to 2.5. And so to get a third class, your CGPA has to be within this range. Now for pass, we have 1.0 to 1.9. So that is it for pass. And then for fail, if your CGPA is below 1.0, you are classified as a failed student. So if your CGPA is 0.5, you are a failed student. If your CGPA is 0.9, you are a failed student. So that's how we can classify our degrees, and that one is specifically based on the CGPA. So it communicates to us that CGPA is highly important, and so as students we must learn harder and then push harder in order to get a good CGPA so that we can get a good class. So this ends today's video, so thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, and share. Remember that this is Bakumat, thinking beyond infinity.